And with this chamfer foil, make sure you key it for 60 seconds. 60 seconds for this white chamfer foil eye hole bottles. And make sure you have it enough. All right, so we're gonna key that for 60 seconds. 60 seconds, please. So, and under the really good clear LED lamp. So if your lamp need to recharge, if you have rechargeable, make sure it's good. So then that way it clears really properly to press it on. And with this like nails, we're gonna go into using our premiums eye hole chamfer foil. This you're gonna cure for 30 seconds. And we're gonna do like red and silver crystal today. Some black on it, so let's make it really cool. I love this too. I have this in the last set that I have it on. If you missed the live videos, I did this one. You can re-watching them. It's fun, it's goofy. That I really appreciate that you're all like hanging out with me. And so I can did my fun nails. That's how I do. Every time I do your nails, it's never come out the same look. I love to create some set, you know, some set of the nails I done. Absolutely not necessary. I love it. No, not yet. And I am going to lay it right here. Right here. Sorry, you would try to get me alright, so I am going to using my tweezer. I have both of them. I don't know which one. That's face focus off for a second. Sure, you just like get it all on the edges. The thing is always transfer. If you miss any part of it, you can just get it, lay it back up. I want to show you on the side right here. It's really cool, nice about this foil is has a little bit lace look, so it's like a little bit of transparency, like of the kind of black top coats. How do I say? It's like this is it, the sheer colors of the black colors. If you you absolutely can create this one look, the same that I shared with you is one time before. How do I read that one off? It's okay, because I'm going to do some crystal on that anyway. I'll probably rip that one off. Yeah, chamfer. Okay, so we're going to leave that on the side. See that how it chamfer good? We're going to leave it on the sides, and I'm going to do the other ones, okay? And then we'll do crystal on both of them. So, but you can see that it chamfer everything on the 60 second, I'm sorry. If you see the missing a little bit here, always leg it back up. And it transfer back into that. All right, so I am going to leave it here for a minute. And I am going to using this nails. This 30 seconds here. It's really cool. All right, so I'm gonna keep this for 30 seconds. This is Nuna, did you got it wrong side? Like if you, okay, so for this foil, you're gonna see one matte of like have a metallic,
A little bit more matte.
the more matte, and this one is really shiny. So you wanna put this one on the top. And this will be go right lay on the top of your gel polish, of the nail surface, the top of the chamfer foil. And same thing with this. The matte side, you can see it's too shiny, but it matte. And this one a little bit shinier, you can see that. So that matte's gonna go into with chamfer foil. All right, so I'm gonna using this one is solid, so we're gonna lay that. Ah, I think a leg it might be, now it's gonna straight. And then it's gonna rub it. If you don't have this tweezer, don't worry, you can use that. And then the same thing where I did it before. I just want to show a lot of different options, okay? So just a piece of towel paper, and then you rub it. Just in case you don't have the tweezer, you can rub this. Tweezer is like just cool multitasking, but just in case you don't have it.
So Lisa, she asked, can the regular no white top coat be used? So if you work with transfer foil, you will need to use transfer foil gel. Anything else, it have maybe some transfer over, but you won't get the quality result you like.
Lisa? Okay, now we're gonna open this. And leave the whole entire tacky layer. Let me move it on the side so I can, okay, here you go. Is leave my, leave my stuff in there. Okay, now you take it, because look, I leave whole entire the nails off. Try to press it on. Yeah, hold on. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna show you this because I don't want to leave whole and tie the nails off again. There you go. But then when you're missing anything, you're gonna like it back up. Whatever that if I miss because I didn't rub it on the side, and then it's just rub it right back on. It's come right back. If I miss it, then maybe because I didn't apply the glue on it. But I'm not worried about that. You see me transfer it all the time. I am going to put some crystal on. Hold on, let me see if I miss any spot. Last time I left the chamfer foil with the base color on it, the foil. This chamfer. And then I'm gonna do some crystal placement on this. Not bad at all. Looks good. You don't have to key this one. After it's done, it's not keying at all. I think because I didn't have a good grip on this.
So about before
we do crystal.